Hi there, this is Chelsea from Enterprise. Welcome to today's episode on adding your sales service invoice. In today's session, we will be covering adding invoice details, selecting your sales service items and prices, as well as emailing and downloading the invoice. So let's get started and have you get paid soon. A sales invoice is a legally required document. It is proof of goods and/or services supplied to your customer. This is your request for payment from your customer. To create an invoice on Enterprise, click on Sales, Invoices, and create new sales invoice. Select your customer and you can also create new customer from here if it does not already exist. Contact from your customer for this sale, bill and ship to address. This will show the default of what you have already defined when setting up your customer account. Enter a reference number and/or a journal remark, and journal remark will appear on your financial postings. For the dates, posting date will default to today's date, whereas due date is calculated based on your payment terms assigned to the customer previously. Now we are ready to add items to our service invoice. Click on Add Line here. Select your service item from this list, and this will populate the remainder of the information such as price, tax, etc. if you have already set them up. You can still change the price at this stage. If you need to add more lines, select Add Additional Lines at the bottom. If you're happy with this, click on OK. If you need to edit this line, click on Edit. If you need to remove this line, you can select Delete. When you're ready to post your invoice, click on Save. You may get a message such as this, asking you whether you would like to email this document to your customer, depending on the settings you have selected in Document Layouts under Settings for your organization. If you do not want to send this off to your client, select No. So this is how you add a service invoice. Now that your invoice is added, you can access the Actions button on the top right, where you can select different options, such as sending off this invoice to your customer, printing a report, downloading a PDF, and making a payment against this invoice. You can also copy this to a sales credit note, or even cancel this invoice. Now you are all set to start adding payments. Thank you for watching. If you require any support assistance, you can reach out to help.enterprise.com or just pop on to support on chat. Thank you for watching once again.